Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. And we're going to learn how to improve the form field accessibility with the label element. So we have a form here you can see in the browser, and it has a form tag. And then inside the form is the P tag here, a label for the email, and an input of what we're putting in. And then we have a submit. So the label tag wraps the text for a specific information control item, usually the name or label for a choice. This ties meaning to the item and makes the form more readable. The for attribute on a label tag explicitly associate that label with the form controller and used by screen readers. So we want to add the for attribute to say what it's for. As you can see in the syntax, this label is for the name, and then the ID is the name as well. So for this exercise, it wants us to add a for attribute on the email label that matches the ID of its input field. So all we have to do is add the for here equals matches the ID. Sorry, it goes in a label tag, and you put the for equals name of the ID, which is email. And you just generally want to follow the syntax or was for and set it the same as the ID as well. So it makes the label text more readable and all that. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.